Is it time to buy or sell CrowdStrike stock? In this video, we will delve deeply into CrowdStrike. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 6th of August, 2024, and now we present an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 17th of July, 2024, our system has classified CrowdStrike as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.17. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has seen a decline of 34.72%. This equates to an average daily loss of 2.31% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned at the lower end of a very wide and declining trend in the short term, which often presents a favorable buying opportunity. Should the lower trend floor at $215.70 be breached, it would initially signal a stronger rate of decline. The existing 3-month trend indicates a potential decrease of approximately 15.71% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a loss of 21.52% to a gain of 32.70%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of 112.18% over the coming year, with potential returns between 101.14% and 279.09%. This could result in a price range of $466.02 to $878.31 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for CrowdStrike includes the headline: CrowdStrike stock price ended at $231.69 on Tuesday after gaining 4.34%. The CrowdStrike stock price increased by 4.34% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 6th of August, 2024, rising from $222.05 to $231.69. During this trading day, the stock fluctuated by 6.17%, with a low of $221.58 and a high of $235.24. The price has declined in 6 of the last 10 days, resulting in a decrease of 13.83% over this period. The trading volume fell by 384,000 shares on the last day, with a total of 10 million shares exchanged for approximately $2.42 billion. It is important to consider that decreasing volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $398.30, while the lowest price reached $140.52. Currently, the price stands at 41.83%, or $166.61, below the 52-week high of $398.30, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. CrowdStrike Holdings Incorporated, recognized by its ticker symbol WD, has recently seen favorable movement in its stock, coinciding with a wider rally in technology stocks. Significantly, Piper Sandler analyst Rob D. Owens has upgraded CRWD from neutral to overweight, setting a new price target of $290. This adjustment demonstrates confidence in the company's resilience and long-term growth potential. This optimistic outlook comes at a crucial time following a sell-off that was linked to a recent outage at Microsoft, which was associated with a CrowdStrike software update. Some analysts believe that the market's reaction was an overreaction. Furthermore, despite the stock's recent decline, A number of analysts suggest that this may be an ideal time for investors to consider purchasing shares in CrowdStrike, as the company appears to be entering a recovery phase. However, the company is currently grappling with legal challenges, as several class action lawsuits have been filed by investors alleging losses during a defined period. These legal matters could introduce volatility and impact investor sentiment in the short term, possibly exerting downward pressure on the stock price. Investors should remain vigilant regarding developments in the legal arena while taking into account the overall positive sentiment expressed by analysts. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 6th of August, 2024, it was reported that Deutsche Bank assigned CRWD an outperform rating with a hold action. On the same day, Needham rated CRWD as neutral, also recommending a hold action. BMO Capital on that date gave CRB a market perform rating with a hold action. Piper Sandler also reported on this day, assigning CRW an overweight rating with a hold action. Lastly, on Tuesday, the 6th of August, 2024, Seaport Global rated CRB as a buy, recommending an upgrade action. Analysts have assigned CrowdStrike stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a neutral rating. The following signals have been identified for CrowdStrike. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, the 2nd of August, 2024, and so far, it has risen by 6.33%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. Volume declined during the last trading day despite the price gains, creating a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. The stock should be monitored closely. Some negative signals have also emerged, and these may influence short-term developments. The CrowdStrike stock holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average, this suggests a more negative outlook for the stock. With further gains, the stock will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $330.74. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the short-term average at $231.47. A breakout above the long-term average would trigger another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average would produce an additional sell signal, reinforcing the overall negative signal. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals that you may find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots have shown a buy signal 3 days ago. Bollinger Bands have provided a buy signal 13 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a buy signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average suggests a sell signal 16 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 15 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average showed a sell signal 21 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 14 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 6 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for CrowdStrike. CrowdStrike finds support from accumulated volume at $224.22. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is expected when the support is tested. This stock is characterized by significant daily movement or volatility, and with a very large prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band, it is considered to carry a very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $13.66 between its high and low, equivalent to 6.17%. For the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 6.25%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for CrowdStrike, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This extremely high PE ratio suggests that the stock could be overvalued. However, it is not uncommon for technology companies or those with significant market potential to have such high ratios. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is expected on the 28th of August, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 98 cents. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for CrowdStrike. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for CrowdStrike is at $233.65. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a potential point for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, CrowdStrike meets its first support level at $224.22. Should this support level hold, it might present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for CrowdStrike from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 15th of July, 2024, Henry Shawn executed an insider sale of 4,000 shares of Class A common stock. On the 12th of July, 2024, Kurtz George executed an insider sale of 60,000 shares of Class B common stock. On the same day, Kurtz George executed another insider sale of 40,000 shares of Class B common stock. Additionally, on the 12th of July, 2024, Kurtz George executed an insider purchase of 60,000 shares of Class A common stock. On that same day, Kurtz George also executed another insider purchase of 40,000 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 19.943. Overall, insiders purchased 382,916 shares and sold 574,529 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss established. Is CrowdStrike stock a good buy? CrowdStrike presents several concerning signals, leading us to believe that its performance will likely remain weak in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. After assessing the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 7th of August, we anticipate that CrowdStrike will open lower by $2.19, beginning trading at $229.50. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is important to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Do not base your investment choices solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.